Yeah, this is Terry. I need to do an alignment on the D700. I recently replaced the EEPROM that was in it. I had some problems with it. Turned out to be a blown fuse. But last year I replaced the EEPROM in it, and the EEPROM that I got was of questionable origin on eBay. And I got some new replacements from DigiKey. And I've already replaced the EEPROM, uh, trying to repair the radio. But in the process of doing that, it erased. I did a long reset. It erased all the configuration. So on these D700s, the configurations for Squelch settings, for your S meter, power outputs, deviation, all of that stuff is saved in the EEPROM, and it is there's a special menu that you have to get into. You also have to have a special piece of equipment like a service monitor. This is my old tired service monitor. This is not a good service monitor, but it's what I have. Uh, and you need that equipment to be able to readjust these and get them back to where they need to be. So go ahead and flip over here to the workbench. Uh, you have to short pins 3 and 6 on the data plug. Just run a wire between those two and hold down the tone and function buttons and power it on, and it will put you into this configuration. So right there is our receiver. It's 0.25 microvolts, and that's a nice strong tone, not a lot of noise. Tone off. Yeah, there's not much hiss there at all. So we've got a good receive on that. So I'm going to just jump right into um, working on the calibrating S meter. It has several things for you to go through here on the receiver section to ensure that the sensitivity is correct. I'm certain the sensitivity is correct. Um, so let's see here. I don't know if I can share this screen or not. Oh, that's no good. There we go. Let's go through here. All right, so this is sensitivity check, 0.28 microvolts. Jump right down to, yeah, Squelch. Okay, switch to adjustment mode and carry out operations for item A, which is to put it on 146.5. Okay. Let's add in this guy in here. And there we go. So you guys can see that. I will do my best to make it so that you can see what we're doing here, which is the squelch adjustment. So 146050, that's what we have. I'm going to put it up on the service monitor here. All right, and that turned on busy. All right. They want us to put it on point. One, 2, 6. All right, should be right about there. Microvolts. It says to today. Click set. Okay. All right, we've done that. It says to go to band B. And we should go. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So we've got that set. Says it has two different things here, 146 and 145. Okay, so that's 145. Okay, all right. So go over here. 144, 150. I wonder if that's for, these are for Europe. Oh, okay. One's for, I think one of these is for America, the other is for Europe. Okay. So 444, 150. Well, service model can generate that. Sounds like it can. And that's calling for even less signal. Look at that. 0.112 microfarad or microvolts. And all right, so there we are. Okay, so the squelch is now set. All right, so we've written the squelch. The next thing it says to do is to check it. That looks right. I'm going to assume these. I think we're good there. I think we're good there. All right. All right, so now we got to adjust the S meter. Okay, so for S meter adjustment, here you guys can see, we'll go with 146, 150. Or 050. All right, and it is saying to go to 0.28 microvolts. All right, that is 0.28 microvolts. And let's see here. S meter. Okay. It says one segment. Okay. So there we go. Now I have one S meter light. And then it says that we need to go up to 3.54 microvolts. I believe that is 3.5 microvolts. Wow, that's full deflection. All right. 3.54 microvolts full deflection. That's interesting. And yeah, that is about 0.1, or about, I'm sorry, 0.2 microvolts there. It's 2 microvolts, 2.5, 3, 3.5. It's very non-linear up there, doesn't it? Okay. So now we've got to do the same on the other side. On band B. All right. And on band B, for 44, 150. Take a second for it to lock on. All right. So for S1, we're going to go to 0.28 microvolts, same as we did on the 2-meter side, and 0.28 microvolts. S1. All right, and then we go to 0.54 microvolts. Which is an S7. Okay. Okay. All right, now it's saying that I need to go to band B, subband 1. Not sure how to do that. There we go. That. Okay. So, on subband 1, we go back to 6 meters, and we go to 146. 050. Okay. Six 050. All right, and we also go back to 0.28 microvolts. There we go, 0.28 microvolts. S1. And then we go to 3.54 microvolts. Full deflection, F7. Okay. Now we do the same over on band A. Oh, wow. I did not know there were so many band options available. All right, so we're going to go back to 446, is it? 444, 150. 144, 150. There we go. 44, 150. Go to 0.28. That's incredibly sensitive. Pretty impressive. All right, 0.28 microvolts. That's one. And then 3.54 microvolts. Pretty sure I'm just getting 3. Full deflection. Okay. There we go. And that is saying that our S meter is done. And they want us to check the S meter. So, I mean, I guess we could kind of go through that. We'll just start here. It's saying 0.5 microvolts should show more than one segment of segments there, and it does. Look at that. 0.5. But 2 is more than 1. So, yep. Look at that. Pretty good. Pretty good. I think we're pretty good there. Okay. I really dislike that. I guess this has to be set on all of the other bands too. Interesting. So let's go ahead and go to 1.6. 0.0. What do we got? 0.5. We have more than 1. So I think we're good there. All right. Do the same on B band. All right. Have more than 1 there. It's right on the precipice of 3. So that's good. I'll take that. Go 444. 150. There we go. We have more than 1 there. Also right on the precipice. Less than, it's like 0.05 microvolts makes the 30. It's all kind of right there where it needs to be. So yeah, I'm gonna say we're good on those checks. Let's see. Transmitter frequency adjust. Okay, power right or check, band check. Okay, so there we go. That looks good. We're gonna have to do that next. So I am going to pause our recording. I'm going to pause our recording here and go through and get my microphone. I do not have my microphone with me, so we'll be right back.